Good day everyone, I have a tutorial for you on how to remove a background from your photos and pictures by using Photopea. So if you want to make your background transparent, you can easily do that with a few clicks. So I'm going to open my test photo. This is basically the picture that I'm going to remove the background from. So you can do this in two ways. You can manually select, as you can see there's like this magic wand here, or you can also press W to activate this feature, and from here you can either the first way is to choose everything, all the background manually like this. So as you can see, as I'm choosing, there's like a line that covers the ears, the head of the cat, the neck, the fur, and I press delete on my keyboard and it removes the background, as you can see, quite easily. You can do this manually if you want and remove everything from here. And this is basically something you can come up, make sure that you don't leave anything, don't mess anything up. Just remove all of these dots as well, these small things. And if you ever need to revert back the changes, you can do that by pressing Ctrl Z like this. As you can see, it's reverting back everything I've made. So the other way to do this is to just right click on the photo and press on Magic Cut. It's the fourth from the bottom, fourth available feature. It's highlighted, you can press on it. It's going to load, take a bit of time to load. And as you can see, without you doing completely nothing, you have a very well cut. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's cut. Basically, the service cuts the photo by itself. You don't have to do this manually like I did just now. And from here, you just press OK. You can also adjust it manually further if you're not satisfied with the result. So, for example, I want to remove more from here. Right? It's going to take a bit of time to do this, but you can do that if you want. Like close to the tail here. You can remove all this stuff, and then after you've done, just press on File to save, press Export as PNG or JPEG, choose whatever you want. This is how you do it. This is how you remove the background and make your background transparent in Photopea. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.